Hi everyone.
Welcome to Michelle World TV.
I'm going to do a video for you about a new recipe that I started making. It's a potato and canned tuna fish cakes that I fry up. They're absolutely delicious. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Let's get started. I'm going to bring this down so you can see what I'm doing. So here I have some potatoes and I'm just going to mash them up very quickly. And all you have to do when you mash this up is put in the canned tuna, mash it up together with 1 egg. And here I chopped up some green onion. I like just the green part because the white part is harder. This is better for preparing this. So I put that in. And finely chopped parsley as well that I put in. And finely chopped celery. I like the inside part of the celery where it's more tender as opposed to the green dark ones that are on the outside. They're harder and take longer to cook. In this particular case, it's better to use those. Okay, and just to give you a little demonstration on how I do that, I just cut them like this, very thinly. And then bring them together this way. And chop them up real quick. That's how I get them so tiny and fine. All right, that's enough because we already have some in there. Put those in as well. Okay, and now we mix this up. I don't use any salt because the tuna is already salty enough. And also one more thing that we add is a little bit of spicy mustard. About a ½ teaspoon of spicy mustard gives it that flavor of saltiness, and also it adds spiciness to it. So I don't use either salt or pepper. Potatoes don't have to be completely mashed. They're very nice when you're eating it to feel a little bit of that potato. I also grate in here 1 clove of garlic, ½ a cup of panko. Mix all that up really nicely. Turn on the heat. Once everything is really well combined, I make out of this four pieces. So I just put a little water on my hands. And I pat them down just a little bit like this. And then I put them in the panko. And I get them frying. Besides the egg, everything else doesn't really need a whole lot of cooking. What's important is to get that egg to cook. Otherwise, tuna and the potato is already cooked. I boiled it before, peeled it and boiled it so that it's all ready. You want to cook these at about a medium high, and if you see that it's bubbling, getting a little bit too if it starts to splash, then you want to maybe lower your heat a little bit. That's it for that. I'm just going to rinse. What I like to do now is make a little salad, a nice fresh salad to go with it. So we begin with a little bit of finely diced fresh cabbage. Beautiful. You want to keep an eye on those fish cakes. Make sure not burning. That's it. Next is a cucumber. Let's check on those, see how they're doing. Beautiful. Lower that a little bit. There we go, a little cucumber. And some carrot. A little carrot. Let's see how these are doing. They're looking really nice. We're almost done with that. As soon as we finish with the salad, we'll be ready to plate. Chop up some parsley. And for the dressing, I'll be right back. A little mayo. Just about a spoon of mayo, about a half a teaspoon of ketchup, needs a little more ketchup because I like it a little darker than that. A little bit pepper, just a little bit. And here you go. We are ready to plate. Put those here. Drizzle a little of this lovely dressing. I like it on the fish as well. Just adds a little extra flavor. And here you have it. These are my tuna and potato fish cakes with a little salad on the side. Really nice, very easy to prepare and delicious. Let me know what you think. Subscribe or ask any questions that you want, and like if you like.
And I'll see you again on Michelle World TV. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.